going on?
Evening, boys.
Morning, boys! I hope you're up for a day.
All the way from Brum.
Yeah, very good.
What's going on?
Come on.
All the way from Brum. It's commitment.
The commitment for the bad.
Then Cam, score predictions today.
15-6.
15-6.
Yeah, man.
Leon, score predictions.
19-5.
Chris, score predictions.
14-7.
I've never played these before.
Boy, just guess.
15-5.
Matt, score predictions.
16-7.
Sam?
Oh, so you have to take me again?
No, they're not here yet.
10-0 then.
10-0. There you go, that's a good one. Hey, score predictions. Cool. 23? 23 what?
20 goes to us, 3 to them.
Alright, sweet. Whoever gets like closest gets next week on me, innit? Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the 5. You know what's going on, we're live. Quick look at the league tables. As it stands, we're still top of the tree on goal difference. Those top 3 teams are fighting off the points, but today we face Crouch Potatoes. Let's see how that one goes. Hopefully we brush them under the carpet. Alright people, CC versus Crouch Potatoes. Earlier on in the season when we met them, we won. I don't think today will be as easy. They want vengeance. They want blood. They want us to bleed. But the story don't always go as they plan. Anyway, let's rock and roll. Early sightings. They're moving the ball around, keeping us far off it.
Okay, well, pass and play together. If you don't play together, I'm kicking the ball over.
It's still the 6-week holidays, we've got the kids with us. They're getting an early one. 1-0 to Crouch Potatoes. They're trying to show us that they've learned their lesson from earlier on in the season. But you know, man, we're back.
Time.
Anyway, H in the squad, Liam in the squad. We've got Chris, Cam, Matt, Sam, David, the regulars.
Let's work it back then, let's work it back.
It's crazy. Anyway, we started off slow, but you know, sometimes that's how it goes.
Well done, you. Yes.
I think Cam's walking up now. 1-1, and it just opens up for this guy and he takes a shot.
Alright, Grant, calm down.
Partners on the sideline saying it looks like Grant. Where's Phil? Anyway, H coming forward with it. Little pass to Cam. Takes his man on.
Well done,
sends him
you.
a shot.
Again.
Turns. That's
And you
2
was
for
going to stay at
Cam.
home. Fucking hell, mate.
True story. Cam said he was going to stay at home. But he said he loves the Baz too much. So he's come and he's done that. 2 off the bounce. Anyway, this guy's trying to twist up H. Don't think he's seen the previous videos. Ball being moved around. It's unlucky H can't connect. 2-1. And we're up and stuck. You know how it goes. The boys are now coming forward, stretching their legs. They get the ball back and then they lose possession again. You know, Matt, tie it out. Give it to the ballers. Liam, Rose's keeper. Tries to get a chip in there. That's why it's called chip I in made there. everyone guess the score predictions, yeah? I said the closest to it gets next week on me. Yeah. Small conversation being heard in the background. The players guess the predictions for the score. Let's see who gets it right. Anyway, 3-1. Kids on the sideline being annoying as usual. But that's how it goes. 6-week holidays. I keep telling them. Back in my day. It's making myself feel old. Anyway, 3-1. Not much happening, they're keeping the ball. Slim Shady with it.
What's the score? 3-1.
Kids in the background want to know what the score is. and being annoying at the same time. Anyway, ball being moved around by the Greens, crouch potatoes. I think they're just working it, trying to find an opportunity to punish us. But at the moment, we seem to be in control with our shape. They're not going nowhere. Ball's being passed backwards. Anyway, Sam is a great save though, I'm not going to lie. But we come forward and we do it fast. Liam gets the shot off, saved by the keeper. Right, H driving forward, gives it to Liam. You know their connection is crazy. Anyway, Liam's lost it. They punish us for that one. 3-2 is kind of close right now. We're getting back and forth. We're making it a sparring contest. When really, we should put things to bed. Another week, another back heel for the boy Liam. If he puts his foot through it, they probably don't get this. But they get another one back. 3-3. Could they overthrow us? They've come back from 2 down to now being on level. Kids fucking about in the background. Chairman's telling them off. 3-3 and we're coming forward well. Just behind the boy chipping. Chris Slim Shady blocks it. Anyway, that one was in the box, it won't count. 3-3 and you can hear the commentary from the game next door. It gets a bit spicy about half time if you're listening closely. But you've got to focus and do a job right here on our pitch. Anyway, 3-3, they seem to be getting shots off. H chasing Slim Shady down. Finds a pass out. They're not a bad little passing team in that, but I think because of our shape, it's hard for them to break us down. I said that, and they've scored 3 goals. But you know, once we get the counter attack, H coming forward, does his man, comes off his backside. Anyway, poor little pass in there. Chippendale turns out to H. Dancing on ice. That was a close one. 3-3. We've seen H score those plenty of times. It's only a matter of time. 3-3 games close, man. Tight. It was hot this day though, man. I told the guys, make sure you got loads of fluid on board. Me, I didn't play. I had the Magnum and I had my shades on. I was just watching from the sidelines, just enjoying myself.
I said okay, whatever you did.
I say enjoying myself. But the kids were giving me headache as well. Anyway, we're rocking now. They go ahead. 4-3. But don't blink too quick. Back in blood. 4-4. Let's go, man. Monday Night Raw. Monday Night Smackdown. Nah, man, it's just CC at the 5s. 4-4. Game's kind of tight right now. It's looking like AJ versus Klitschko. Who's going to get the better of each other? I say that right now and I'm practicing the head movements, dodging, popping and weaving. See that they're just learning the game that they're playing their way. I've noticed as the weeks are going on, teams are now trying to find a way to stop us having the ball more, and they're trying to keep it and not so they concede less.
Jesus Christ.
Speaking about boxing, I think Chris has been practicing himself. 4-4, score still 11.
Boys. Help each other.
I wouldn't say it's a battle, it's just a spar. We're just watching, seeing who makes the chances first. Camp probably should have got the chip a bit higher.
Can't go outside.
4-4, you know the score. Almost half time. They seem to be doing their thing, they're going forward but they lose it. Cam coming forward, gets a shot, it's blocked by the big guy at the back. trying to get shots off, but it's not quite happening right now. I think they play well on a pass counter attack vibe. Slipsy pass free. Probably should have scored that one though. Come working hard in there. Done it, chipped again, tried it again. It's unlucky. Ball's been moved real fast. Tried to out of the boot. Doesn't quite come off. Ball thrown out by the opposition keeper. We won it back. Chipping over the shot. He saved it. H with it, slowing it down. Our pace. Look at that intricate pass. Run it back and check that how intricate that pass was. Saw the run of Matt coming forward.
Well done, Tom.
Played it. Anyway, that's a great shot, great save.
Hey, that's a great turn. Hey, fuck
She
you
said
know,
five.
see the shadows.
That's H not Harry.
It's Slim Shady looking through.
I think the
Cameron's
keeper's
coming out, got vengeance
he's
now.
tired.
Yeah, I swear we beat you.
5-4. I think we're live.
We beat you lot last time, didn't we? Did we beat you last time? Did we beat you last time? When did you have a shot? What do you mean? I've had 2 shots. When did you shot? None. Precisely. Shut up.
These guys think they're like semi-pro.
Shot.
They think they're like semi-pro.
I'm blocking your so-called good one.
Mate, you are fucking ugly as fuck.
You're so poor. You come to power and you fucking Astros on.
I know, they've won.
This guy's a weirdo, man. He thinks he's so good.
And he's beat you every time. Every summer I take a man.
Remember I told you, next pitch gets spicy. Now I'm talking to Saj in the background. He's telling us why they pulled out over the summer.
We've done it the hard way. We should have been good one from the start. We did it from the original. Whatever.
Anyway, 5-4, we're keeping the ball. Ball's being moved around, side to side, between the players, in between. Cam standing up his man, you know he's going to drink him a drink, gets a shot off. Keeper does well there.
People on holidays, up here, done. No, it's just on tournaments at the moment. Yeah, every Sunday.
What are tournaments?
Yeah, we're playing, we're going to like that. We're like 1 o'clock in Leicester.
Shots galore at the moment, piling the pressure on. 5-4. Doors wide open now.
No one remembers the losers, bro. You got to win them. You got to win them.
So now we come forward.
Yeah,
Cam,
you lot are fighting in the
intricate passing there.
Hey.
H with a great finish. 6-4. Doors open now. Floodgates are flowing. This must be it.
Look at the spider.
Anyway, Slim Shady with the pass back to Grant. Grant to Slim Shady. Just 1-2, intricate one.
Look at the spider.
Through the middle. Breaks us down. Ball's being moved up the field. They're trying still. The ball's being moved around
Well
still.
done, Sam.
Sam made a great save. He's made a few great saves there, you know.
It's coming out. Well done.
Chris in the corner with Grant. He's done him. The corner was too
Get
easy.
there, David. Get there. Hey, Sam, it's another one.
Point blank save from Sam. Doing amazing. Ball's just too far ahead of Chris. Nothing comes from him.
Because we're two players. We're two players. I'm enjoying the vibe. Don't lose it there, mate.
Tell the kids why I'm not playing. I put the badge first.
I'm here to enjoy
I put
the
the
vibe
best.
this week.
I put the best 7
On
out.
the sidelines.
Wow. I don't know, getting better.
Hey, yeah. Got a lot from the
Having your medicine. Doctor's medicine.
So I'm not playing. Get the kids out of school and shit. Send them back to school.
I don't want to.
Heading,
Send them back to school.
You need to go back to school, man.
Back to school. 1 week's enough.
More than enough.
Why? That's a great save, Sam. Another one.
2 weeks max, isn't it?
2 weeks max.
So schools.
6-4.
6-4. Sam making some great saves, keeping us in the game.
No shot. What? Hey, Chris, love that.
Alright, Chris gets in front of that and puts his body in the line. For me, that's brilliant. It's not always about the goals and the great play. Sometimes the saves, the defensive work, it gets overlooked. David cutting out passes. Gets overlooked.
I love
Hey.
that from you. Oh my.
Chipping though does a mad thing
No
there.
shot, no
If he scored
shot,
that
no
one,
shot.
I probably would have run the pitch. Anyway, Grant finding the pass long through.
David, be
Now
aware,
they're players
left
in the
shoulder
corner
too.
with no space. Out of the feet.
Hey Sam, that's a great save, mate.
So another great save from Sam. Half time.
I one of them things went in my eye. Go. I'm gonna die. How you doing, ref? What's the score? 6-4. What do we think about that half, lads? What?
Just need to stay tight, not let them just run off.
Got keeper as well.
Fucking great saves in
not
there.
letting anything in.
Fucking great saves in. Yeah, he's a few cheeky ones and they're chipping that. Yeah, I see it
I
still.
love that from you. Oh my.
If one lad forward and then everyone else will just like try and stick.
Yeah, as long as you stick on the one forward, I feel like everything else.
Because like even if they shoot, like, you might just stand the corner for a bit.
A little bit of room, only a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, second half underway, 6-4. David gets one. 7-4. Second half just started. They're complaining that the keeper weren't ready. They try to do us. Doesn't work. It's a great block. 7-4, covering the ball. You know he's going to try and beat his man. Finds Matt in there. To Chris to Cam. Great little slip ball. Chris tries to get a shot off, it's blocked by Grant. He's got the ball back. 8-4. Chairman telling me we'll talk about it later.
He's got two. He's seeing double.
Mom.
8-4 and they're trying to force the ball forward. Trying to just force shots. Sam with another one.
Yeah, we're winning today.
Punt on the sideline, just want to see us lose.
A wise man once told me. Under 14.
9-4, David with it. Told you, doors open now. Floodgates are on. Reminder, if we beat this team, we go 3 points ahead of them. Depending on the result with COG, if they win, we'll still be on level points.
I'm not complaining.
Forgot to say, I believe the second goal we scored was our 100th goal of the season. Second season reaching triple figures. I think we're the first to do it in the whole Monday League, if I'm not mistaken. So big up the boys, man. It's always a great achievement to score triple figures, man. Like it's not easy to come down here and score 100 goals plus.
I love that.
So you got to big up the man. Them still got a strong team and everybody. You know what I'm saying?
Go forward, 2-on-1.
Anyway, since we're bigging up people right now, let's pick up the chairman. Because every week she comes, she makes sure everything's sorted, admin, behind the scenes, make sure everyone's ready to go. I think we just got to give a clap, round of applause.
Another one.
Also a round of applause for the blocks and defence that have been made today. Keepers made that mistake twice, thrown it over head high. We need to punish them.
Well done. Great couple blocks in there, mate.
That's unlucky. Anyway, the keeper rolls out to Grant. Grant just to find the pass. Lingus little touch is not enough. They're still in possession. They're a sideways passing team, sideways, backwards, but they try and find the ball forward. But
That's a nice little
do our defence, things get cut out. Anyway, that ball's alright, you know what I'm saying?
Slow it down if you need to.
Just a bit too much. I'm on the sideline tending to slow it down. They're just dribbling past players. 1, 2, gets the shot off, it's just wide, it's dragged.
Hey, well done, Matt. Take your time. Go on, Cam.
Cam coming forward. Sends my man to the shop. He's looking for this thing. Chris on the side. Telling him, put his foot through it.
Take your time, man. Take your time.
Let's hope he listens.
Tell him my money for any field plan. Yeah,
I love that. Yeah, there we go. Put your foot through it. Keep playing then.
10-4.
just too good.
There you go then.
Fair on the opponent.
10-4, they look like they're losing a bit of energy, looking like they're losing the will to live. It's only 10-4, we've beaten teams 35-5 before. But anyway, we're not looking at the past, we're on to games now.
I love that, Matt.
Football at its finest.
Yeah.
11-4. I remember as a kid, I used to watch Match of the Day Sunday mornings, early. It was like 7:30, I think it was. And they used to score goals like this.
I love that's a great turn, you.
12-4. That finish was brilliant. Open the body, put it in the corner. Keeper ain't saving that though. 12-4, they're moving lackluster.
If you stop asking, yeah, go.
If you keep asking, saying no.
Chairman on the sidelines has enough of the kids. If you keep asking, they're gonna say no. That's like when teams keep coming at us and we keep denying them. No.
You lost the game yet? You lost the game yet?
Yeah.
Did you? Who did it? I don't know how you lost against them.
It's a cog, but
Yeah, I know.
literally every sort of person he had in his diary sort of thing.
Did it?
Yeah, like proper ballers.
He done that against us once, but then we had a good team as well. So we just beat him. But
It weren't our strongest team.
he's alright. Trams, mate. Someone to go up against me. Way too quick.
I'm grateful.
Better on your team than against you. Just
Love to hear it. Partners on the sideline. Surprised that we've lost. I was surprised too, but you know,
Oh, Slim Shady.
with pain
a lot of players like that.
comes a great story. Anyway, 12-4. We should be about halfway through the half. And it was getting hot. It was hot. It was hot at this point. I was on the sidelines, but I was breathing heavy, sweating. You know what I'm
What's
saying?
it? How many's in there? 6 or 7? Not that I think we're going to bring it back. Oh dear.
Ball's being moved around very well. Chris with the finish. So unlucky, it's just wide.
We did. Yeah, we did say we wouldn't have no one to score. Oh dear.
David touched that one out. Great save. Probably could have gone left or right there. He had H and Liam.
Boys,
Anyway, we're still coming forward, you know. Liam with 1-2 trickery. Does a little step over and tries to get the goal. Anyway, passes it back to H. 34. Surely we've closed the door now. Surely there's no coming back, but they're still coming forward, getting a couple shots off.
Ref as well. I'm not worried about you, boss.
he has made a fucking lot of saves, oh boy.
Partners on the sideline, dishing it out to the ref.
Hit the net and then come back rebounding off
I think he's done quite well, to be fair. Anyway, crouched potatoes with
He
the
ain't
ball,
no sides on a Thursday.
trying to get it off.
Hey, do we need to ask your finishing, bud? There it is.
They get one back. After all that abuse, they put one in the corner.
I'm surprised by that, but I never thought you'd leave then.
We're not Rangers on what?
At the minute, I don't know, I'm just going to take some time for myself. You could play high anyway, couldn't
Well,
you?
winning too much.
Oh, brother,
Liam gets one. Cam on the sideline just telling us that he's not going to play 11s at the moment. He wants to focus on his 5s career. You see that we're doing big things down the
Take your
5s.
time, Chris. Take your
Once we
time.
start entering the tournament, we're going to need all the big players. I respect it. Anyway, Chris with a shot that's special, just wide. Anyway, man, them rolling through the years. That one's gone over. 14-5.
Yeah, we lost 5, yeah.
Ball's being moved around by them, yeah, but they're not creating much opportunities. Their energy's dropped. Oh, shit. Spoke too soon. 16-6. He makes a great save though. Hey, David, another great save from the keeper. Cam with a flip-flop type of motion. Blocked. Anyway, David with the ball coming forward. I'm sure this is last 5. Now Matt tries to get a shot off, dribbles into the keeper's hands. Chris coming forward, shot blocked. Tries again. Blocked again. Now look, it's 14-6. And they get one back.
Score more. Hey, last 5, let's finish them off.
14-7 and I'm calling to finish them off. I want this game done. I'm ready to go home and have dinner. But as the sun comes down and the game comes to a close,
Hey, well done, well done.
there's always time for a few more shots.
Gonna call that again, keep.
H off the post. But anyway, guys, it's been a pleasure.
Hey,
Thanks for
Sam, that's
tuning in,
brilliant.
as usual, week after
Take
week.
him on.
Without you guys, we wouldn't be as hungry. Some of you are here to watch us lose. Some of you are here to watch us win. Some of you are here to grow the family. Some of you are here to be the best. And to be the best, you gotta play the best. So if you wanna play
Love
the Clampers, come and play the Clampers. Enter a team in
Go on, Cam. Oh.
Monday's Power League. And one day you'll get to play us. One day you'll be here on the YouTube. But I call out other teams as I say this. I call out other teams for them to start recording their games and putting it on YouTube and seeing. You can see who's the
Turn,
best.
Cam, turn.
This division here, this season is all about getting to Division 1. That's where we want to be. We want to be top of the tree, top of the tree. Yeah, it's all good fun and games being top of the tree in different leagues. But if you're not in the Premiership, and playing Premiership football, Man City, Man United, what's it about? Anyway, game comes to a close. Final score, 14-7.
Cheers. Cheers. Yes. Well done. Cheers, ref. Well played. Another fucking 3 points.
Could have saved a few more.
Well played.
Who's missing?
I'm not keeping today.
8.
Yeah, I'm on holiday next week.
Anyone missing?
8.
Let's take him then. Hey! Go missing. We'll have to Photoshop him in.
Jay, you getting in or not?
Jay, you getting in?
Okay, brother.
Alright, quick look at the scores around. Obviously, we done our job. JCFC done their job against Peekaboo FC. That's a bit close to cool. Anyway, COG done a job over Dynamo FC. That's going to make it quite tight at the top. Anyway, still at the top of the tree doing our thing, man. Top of Division 2, 15 points. COG on 15 points. Crash Potatoes dropping points against us just now. So that gives us a bit of breathing room. It's a fight to the finish. COG, see you soon. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's CC for life. CC forever. See you next week, man.